Hey Arnold, sorry, I tried to make it a bit more obvious in that GIF, but it didn't come across great. So, can someone guide me to possible integrate or associate deals CRM and estimates bracket invoice? I am involved in the use. I'm confused at why you call an estimate an invoice, but if you can explain that. I am involved in a use case where a single deal may attract the same estimate to multiple stakeholders of a deal. It would be amazing to be able to have a create estimate action button on the deal, select the stakeholder contact for the deal, and then begin filling out the detailed estimate. So I'm not sure. Again, this estimate brackets invoice. Invoice obviously comes after you've done the deal, but or after you've done the quote estimate. So here's a test case, right? So you've got a company. This is Happy Me Golf, and you've got a primary contact, but you may have more than one contact stakeholder. I'm presuming you're saying that the account you're talking to has multiple contacts, which is multiple stakeholders. So what you can do is go over to here to quotes, which is estimates. And if you use it in Zoho One, you can change quotes to estimates. You can change that label to say estimate, which you maybe already have done. Add an estimate, subject, I don't know, I do, new CTV system. And then you can obviously populate anything that comes up. But the contact name, which is your stakeholder name, from what I can understand, you can change. So if you can just change it to whoever it is. Paul Nicholson, Happy Me Limited, these are different contacts. They're all test contacts in mine. So you can change it there. I don't know if that's what you're saying, but you basically can change. You can just go in, add a quote estimate, and do that. I'm not sure if that's what you're asking because it seems too easy. There's obviously something more to it. So let me know.